Everyone, my name is Ahmad Udan bin Bahrom. I am student of Polytechnic Port Dickson. I am doing my mock in English communicating to subject. Today, I would like to explain the comparison between two models of Samsung Note 2 and Asus Zenfone Go. The screen of Samsung model is 5.5 inches, while Asus comes with 5.0 inches. Note 2 and Asus share the same storage, which is 2GB RAM. These two devices share the same 8-megapixel back camera, but the front camera have a slight difference, which is Samsung has 1.9 megapixel, but Asus is 2 megapixel. These two different Android version. Samsung Note 2 running 4.42 Android OS KitKat, while Asus Zenfone Go running Android OS version 5.1 Lollipop. That's all from me. Thank you everyone for watching this video.